Thanks for choosing CD1 for all your laundry and dry cleaning needs. You're gonna love it. It's easy, affordable, and a huge time saver. Getting started takes no time at all.
If you don't already have our CD1 branded bags, no worries. Just put your garments in disposable plastic bags and label them with your name, and we'll bring you your branded bags with your first delivery.
Because we offer both wash and fold laundry and dry cleaning, we ask that you help us out and label your bags so we know how you want your garments cleaned. Simply write laundry on bags containing your wash and fold laundry and special care on any dry clean or laundered and pressed items that you want done for a per-piece charge and returned on a hanger.
If you've already signed up for our time and money-saving laundry subscription, you made a wise choice. Because you won't be getting our subscription bag until your first delivery, we'll count your first 25 pounds as part of your subscription. Once you have the CD1 bag, you can simply stuff the bag, and anything inside the sealed laundry bag will be prepaid as part of your subscription. And if you ever have more laundry, never fear. You can always leave additional laundry for a per-pound charge.
Don't forget, we can also clean blankets and comforters for a special per-piece charge as well.
Once your garments are all bagged up, the hard part is over. Just leave your labeled bags out for us by 8 a.m. on your scheduled laundry day, and you're good to go. No need to wait around at home.
Now go enjoy your new free time while we do the cleaning.